In this video, I will show you how to transfer TON from Bybit to Tonkeeper. To do this, first just go and open up Bybit and then click Assets in the bottom right. Now you will need to own some TON in order to transfer it, but if you do own some TON, then just go and click Withdraw from here. Then select TON, and now here you will need to input an address, network, optionally a tag or memo, and an amount. Now first, to find the address, just open up Tonkeeper. And after opening up Tonkeeper, you want to go and click on Receive, and now here you will have your Ton coin wallet address. Now here just copy it and go back to Bybit and paste in the address right here. And then for the network, you want to go and select Ton. Now after doing that, you need to select an amount. So first I'll set it to my funding account and then click Max. Now from here click Withdraw, and now you can go and click on Confirm, and then you need to verify that it's you by entering the code from your authenticator app and the code sent to your email address. And once you have verified that it is actually you, then it will be transferred to your Tonkeeper wallet. So now you know how to transfer TON from Bybit to Tonkeeper. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.